Hi there, so for this problem we are given the following function f of x, that is x squared times the exponential of 2 times x. Now, the first question, let's label this as part A of this problem, is about to determine the upper intervals where the function is concave up. Now, to determine where the function is concave up, we need to determine the second derivative of this function, and we need to set up an equality using the second derivative. When n that is greater than 0, the function is concave up, and when that is less than 0, the function is concave down. Okay.